Welcome to my craft area. I'm Anna Hellman and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's look at today's project. I have a quick tip to share with you today, and it involves how to get little pieces of lint and dirt off of the surface of your ink pads. I don't have problems with this a lot, but especially after my stamping events when people have been cleaning the stamps with baby wipes and they get the little fibers on here, that sometimes my ink pads get a little bit yucky, and this drives me crazy. So I was thinking the other day, well, how could I get those off? And what better to get the little fuzzies and lint pieces off of your ink pads than a lint roller? So I tried this out and I was not really surprised. It did a great job of pulling the little lint pieces all off of my ink pad. Now you do want to be careful because this is going to get rather messy, okay? So you want to try and keep that ink on the lint roller and not everywhere, but I'm going to hold this back up again. Now you're going to see some tiny little air bubbles from that ink lifting up, but that got, it looks like every piece of lint off of this ink pad. So I hope this quick tip helps you. Thanks so much for joining in today. For more information and links to the products used today, click in the video description box down below to visit my website. Make sure you also click down below to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to receive notifications when I share new videos. I truly appreciate you being here, as well as every like, share, and comment that I receive. I'll see you again next time when I'll be back helping you to hand make with love.